Okay, so that's actually quite hard to do. I was having a wee think about it after I posted that last video. Up here you can see a formula, and this is the formula that banks use to work out how to calculate how much interest you're going to make on an investment or on your mortgage or a loan. So basically what it reads is the amount is the principal, which is the initial amount that you are going to invest. In this case, I'm using $1,000, multiplied by 1 plus the rate, 5%, over the number of times that it compounds. So if it was a yearly compounding interest, it would be 1. If it was quarterly, it would be 4. If it was daily, it would be 365. And for the purpose of this exercise, I'm going to make T, which is the term, be for 5 years. So I'm investing my money for $1,000 for 5 years, compounding quarterly. All right. So the way this works is there's $1,000, and here's this bit here, the 1 plus R over N, which is the 5% over a quarterly 4 times. This little guy here is called a carrot, and what it does, it is something banks use. It's called the power to yield, and we've used the quarterly rate times 5 years. So $1,000 times 1.0125, that's this worked out, caret 20. $1,000 multiply 1.128 equals $1,280. Now you're asking yourself, how on earth did I work out the caret? Now on your calculator, hopefully, if it is a scientific calculator, I'm using my phone, so I'll just show you. So that's my regular calculator on my phone. When I slide over the bar on the side, hopefully you can see that properly, just here there is this little symbol caret. All right, so I'll show you how that works. If I have 1.0125 and I want to multiply it by the caret, push caret. Okay, yes, it's there, caret, and then I am putting in 20, and you can see the answers there, and it's way bigger, but I'm rounding to 1.28. All right, so once we have the 1.28 in there, 1,000 times 1.28 is going to be 1,280. Now, if you were going to do your 12 years, if you have a look down here, I've just gone from the bracket business. I'm not going to work it out completely for you because I'm going to do the $1,000. I'm not going to do your sum. So $1,000 multiplied by 1 plus 0.05 compounding quarterly, caret 4 times 12. So that's 4 for the quarterly term and 12 years, because that's roughly how long your investment's going to be. Multiplying that right through, your initial investment would become 1,820. Okay, that is assuming that you're not going to do anything else with your money meanwhile. Okay, so that's how that works out for compounding your interest. Hopefully that helps. If not, we'll get together fairly shortly and we'll discuss this and figure out how it works. See you soon.